Hi, I'm Alex Krasne, reporting from the Oracle Open World event, and we're going to be talking to someone from Cisco about some of the unified computing systems announcements that have happened at the event. So, hi, tell us your name and what you do at Cisco.
Hi, it's good to see you, Alex. My name is John Manville. I work in the Cisco IT team, and I'm responsible for the networks, the data centers, the operating systems, and the virtualization technology that we use at Cisco.
Great. So what is the status of unified computing systems deployment inside Cisco?
So we've had UCS up and running in production since about March the 16th, running production applications. So these applications include some Oracle databases and specifically includes John Chambers' environment. So his research, all his presentations, and basically his environment. And so to me, that is pretty mission critical. I think if that goes down, we hear about it pretty soon.
I'd say so. So what was your experience in transitioning from a classic server platform to a unified computing environment?
So we had these applications running on some legacy x86 hardware before from a different vendor, and we did a little bit of testing to make sure they were going to work okay. But in the weekend of the cutover, we had zero impact to the applications. There were no code changes we had to make. There was no issues caused by UCS, even though it was a beta version of UCS and beta firmware and hardware as well. So I think that was a pretty good result at that time. So the port actually was very, very smooth.
Great, well that's good to hear. And finally, what are the benefits of your current architecture and what are the next steps?
Well, I think because Cisco talks about an architectural play in the data center virtualization space, which is not just the products, but it's a solution. So it includes all the services, obviously the products, but the go-to-market as well. We plan and we are in the middle of building a large implementation of UCS in production in some of our production data centers, and from the end of this month, from the end of October, we're going to be bringing up a cloud-based platform using UCS plus some other orchestration software around the outside. So we'll be using UCS as the basis for the cloud, and all x86 appropriate applications will be put onto this cloud, onto this cloud using UCS. And then over the next 18 months, in the normal server refresh process, we're going to be moving the older applications from their existing platforms over onto UCS. So I think in the future you're going to see just data centers full of UCS equipment at Cisco.
Oh, well, that sounds like great things to come, and thank you so much for your time.